Hello, everyone. This is Victor, your head of community. Again, thank you very, very much, everyone, for joining. Again, today's going to be a little bit of a special Zoom for us, a little bit of a special webinar of a few very exciting things to do. At the end, Aldar, the CEO, is going to do a little bit of an announcement as well. He's going to join you guys. Thank you very much for all the Bitonians out there. Thank you very much for the support. It's been an amazing, amazing, amazing last month. We should be over 1.3 million users by now. We'll check together in a little bit. So yeah, let's get started. So there's a few questions that we need to answer ourselves in the beginning before we even get into what BTN is, what BitTon is, and so on and so forth. Who earns the most in the cryptocurrency market? As it currently stands, the cryptocurrency market is about $2.5 trillion market cap worth of crypto, immensely profitable and highly volatile market. Two coins kind of dominate and have been dominating since the very beginning. These are Bitcoin and Ethereum, as you guys probably know. About 65 to 70% of the entire global market cap is situated within those two coins. Bitcoin has about 52%, which is, shy over half of the entire market cap, which is just an astonishing amount of money. And Ethereum has about 16.5% of the entire market cap out there. Who controls those cryptocurrencies and the market itself, again, is a very, very valid question. There's two main mining algorithms that kind of dominate the landscape because obviously the people and the asset owners that mine the most or own the most kind of control the market. So proof of work being Bitcoin and Bitcoin's algorithm, and proof of stake being Ethereum's algorithm, are the two dominating ones at the moment. Bitcoin, obviously, proof of work. The higher mining capacity you have, the more control you got on the market and the more profit you get from the coins that you've mined. Ethereum, on the other hand, uses a proof of stake, which translated means proof of ownership. The more capital you got, the more control over the assets and the more profit you get from them. Vast majority of the coins are in the hands of a minority, which to us automatically means, it's a little bit unfair. It's a little bit against what the cryptocurrency market should stand for. So, we've tried to address it as best we possibly could. Talking about, ownership and control on the market, and, everything that we've kind of touched point until now brings us to the last and probably the most important of questions, and it's what is the actual foundation of cryptocurrency success, and where does the value of cryptocurrency come from? Well, it's a very simple answer. It is all that popularity. And where does popularity come from? It is the size of the community. We've all seen what meme tokens out there do, and what the meme tokens, without any utility, without any purpose, without anything on them, have achieved, thousands and thousands and thousands of percents of profits only by the sheer power of community and hype. They're super popular, they're super accessible, and they're just easy to use. So, technically their popularity has driven these amazing, amazing values. Well, the number one community out there at the moment in terms of size is obviously Bitcoin. It is 50 million active wallets, which generally means there's 50 million wallets that, have some sort of movement that benefits the owner. It doesn't mean that there's only 50 million users, there's 50 million active wallets. The second largest is Ethereum, and it's not even a second close. It has 1 million active wallets with some sort of coin movement that results in some sort of profits and, move in asset value. 99.9% of the community gets the least amount of trading volume, mining volume, and profit from the assets. Extremely, extremely unfair. It is a broken system that we need to address, and it is something that we BitTon are really trying and aiming to fix. And our solution is called the proof of action mining algorithm. Proof of action mining algorithm generally is something developed by us. We're BitTon. We're an IT company that specializes in Telegram apps development and blockchain solutions. Our main purpose and our main focus is the Telegram community, which is 900 million people strong, and I'm pretty certain that it is close to breaking 1 billion users. So the proof of action mining algorithm, it's a fair cryptocurrency mining algorithm where coins are mined through the collective actions of the entire community. You can be the biggest whale out there, or you can be, the smallest fish in the pond. You will always be an integral part of the mining algorithm, and the entire mining process will depend on you as well. Again, we try to make it as easy and as accessible as humanly possible. So we've done it into three simple steps. I got perplexed here. So many of you. I got a little bit stuck. Let's try again. Well, the first asset used in mind through the POA technology, our proof of action mining algorithm, is the BTN token. We've done it in the simplest possible way. There's no additional registrations, there's no additional settings, there's no special knowledge that you need. It is three simple steps, and you're going to get your BTN tokens. Step one, launch the Telegram app BitTon. You obviously have been referred by someone to be in the community. Open the link, launch the Telegram app, follow the simple steps on the screen. They're extremely simple steps. There's literally just click here, click there. We couldn't make it simpler for you. Last and but not least, just get your mined BTN tokens. Super simple, right? There's no mining rigs. You don't need complicated technology. You don't need to have an IT degree. It is simple yet very effective. Talking about fairness, if you're on the stock market and you own 51% of a company, let's say we're talking BitTon is a company. Whoever owns 51% of the company owns majority stakeholder. They make the decisions. This is why us trying to be as fair as possible and to change the decentralized finance space in a way where it benefits the community more than anyone else. The tokenomics are giving 60% of the issuance, which is 108 million coins, a very limited supply for a cryptocurrency. We're giving 60% of those back to the community. You guys are going to be the majority stakeholder. The team on its own owns only 10% of those, which again, for a cryptocurrency, that is an extremely low number. And yeah, three main points about the tokenomics. Mining the token happens extremely easy, but only through the actions of the community, yourselves. The distribution of the largest amount of the token, again, a majority stakeholder. 60% to the community, yourselves. Last but really not least, one of the most important things that we are doing is the entire control and choice of the token development path is done by the community. There's absolute democracy. Whatever the community decides, we listen and we follow. We're here to serve. How do we ensure that there's full fairness and transparency? To avoid bots, we've generated a simple NFT system. NFTs, non-fungible tokens. They're unique digital assets, and they prove your eligibility to mine BTN. You can take the BTN NFT as the key card to your office. Every one of you that goes to an office, or wherever you work, you have some sort of identification. Swipe the card and you get into the office. Well, this is the NFT for you. You need to have an NFT purchase or the free one, because we offer a free one as well, in order to qualify to mine. So the higher the tier of your NFT, obviously the price as well, the better your profits are. As everywhere else, it is a business. So the better your NFT is, the more you're going to be able to mine. The more return on your investment you're going to see. So yeah, we have 8 tiers. Free one, obviously $0. Of course, nothing. You get it automatically when you sign up. Start at 26, light at 51, standard at $108, medium at $498, premium, the one that I'm currently on, is $999, pro for $2,000, and enterprise for $5,000. These are the 8 versions of the NFT. All of them have 5 key characteristics. First one is your rarity type. The rarer your NFT, the fewer of those there are on the market, and the higher their value is, the more money you're going to be able to sell it for in the future. Number 2, again, the cost, as I mentioned. The more pricey, the higher the cost of your NFT, the better its basic characteristics are. The more efficient it is. It's more effective. It's as simple as that. We're not trying to make things sound more complicated than they are. The third one and the fourth one are probably the most important ones. These are your actions per day and your energy per action. So BitTon is mined through you guys doing actions. Your actions generate energy. The more energy you generate, the more BTN tokens you're going to get at the end of the day. Midnight UTC every day, the BitTon app distributes the BTN tokens amongst the community based on their energy mined. Higher tier of NFT, more actions. Higher tier of NFT, more energy per action. Equals more BTN. Super simple. Last but not least, something from us to you, because I want to touch point on something. There's a variety of projects out there. They're gonna promise you the moon, they're gonna promise you the stars. We've heard the phrase "we're taking you to the moon" so many, many times. Everyone gives you promises, no one provides instant value. Unless the token is already listed, which normally once it's already listed, it's kind of late. What we've done is we've decided to give you a ton of value in the beginning, ton of return on investment instantly. Pretty much as soon as you guys start, you're going to be able to get the return on your investment. So how does that work? We are giving you first Satoshis per day. The higher tier of energy you get, the more Satoshis you're going to get every day as a daily gift from BitTon. Satoshis being the key elements of key building blocks, if you wish, of Bitcoin. You will be able to generate those alongside the energy you generate, and you will be able to withdraw them for USDT in a BEP20 or a TRC20 wallet. There's no strings attached. There's only a minimum amount, which is $5. That's the minimum withdrawal. Obviously, network fee, can't get around that. It's blockchain. And it's pretty quick. It's up to 48 hours, but usually it's with you within the same day, kind of for the first 24 hours. What can you use your Satoshi balance? Right now, we have launched something that I will very soon give you a little bit of a presentation on. It is our new meme token, BitMeme, which you can purchase with a ton of bonuses and a ton of additional rewards through the daily Bitcoin kind of USDT, however you want to call it, airdrop. I will show you this on the app a little bit later. I will open my personal app for you and we can kind of, we can explore together. That's what we're here for, the entire community. So, distribution of BitTon. The 36,000 BTN tokens distributed daily. This is it. UTC, midnight, every single day, 36,000 coins. This will happen up until the point where we mine 108 million coins. This is the entire issuance. This is how much. Once it's mined, it's done. While we're on this, Aldar got me thinking a few months ago when we first met. He asked me a very good question. Where were you in 2009? I'm 32. In 2009, I was in high school. Did I have a smartphone like the ones we have today? No. Did I know what Bitcoin was? Hell no. I hadn't even heard about Bitcoin. If given a time machine now, and I go back to 2009, I believe I was in the 10th grade or 11th. I'm not sure. Would I go back to 2009 and do everything humanly possible to mine as much Bitcoin as I can? I would literally drop out of school. If I could go back to 2009, everything and anything I would do to get more Bitcoin. There's no debate. There's absolutely no debating. I would drop everything. I'll sell my house. I'd sell my pets, anything. We all know what happened. Where could you buy Bitcoin? Nowhere. Could you only mine it for years? And it was complicated. It required complex mining equipment. It required knowledge. Everyone went on these forums, and it was super complicated. Then I tried purchasing it in 2012. Again, a total nightmare. Didn't purchase it because it was too hard. Biggest mistake in my life. I gave up because it was too hard. If I had bought it in 2012, well, I'll be on a yacht right now. Anyway, we're giving you the same opportunity through BitTon. It is an absolutely amazing product, an amazing coin, which can only be mined at the moment. Has the same issuance as Bitcoin, you know, but doesn't really require complex mining. Doesn't really ask you too much. So if right now I'm in, anywhere in the world, and I have a mobile phone, I have Telegram, I'm able to mine. Only thing I need to do is purchase an NFT, generate actions every single day, again and again and again and again, gather energy from the actions, midnight UTC, 36,000 BTN tokens get distributed. I get my fair share. Done. Easy. Nothing complex, super easy. A ton of ways for you to make money. You're probably going to ask yourselves, okay, fine. I get those BTN tokens. They're not even listed. What am I doing here? There's a bunch of other privileges that we're giving you with the NFTs. We're giving airdrops. The Bitcoin airdrop, very, very key segment. Most projects out there, if any, don't give you jack shit. They give you nothing. They only want from you. We're giving you an instant return on investment. The Bitcoin airdrop is valid for 2 months after your NFT purchase. And, it gives you about 20 to 30% of the value of your purchase back for the first 2 months. It's like a discount code. We're giving you an option for you to get 20 to 30% of your purchase value back within the first 2 months. What are we doing? Allocation expansions. We're rolling out new products. We're rolling out new digital assets. We just rolled out BitMeme, our own version of meme coins. We got tired talking about meme coins. We got absolutely tired about hearing about Shiba Inu, Pepe coin, Dogecoin, all of that nonsense. Dogs barking, frogs jumping here. Nonsense, useless, absolutely useless. So we came up with our own. Bigger, better, bolder, easier to access. Again, it's not even listed. You can only get it from us. Creates scarcity, creates hype. And what do scarcity and hype do? The moment it gets released to the market, up in the sky. Tens of thousands of percent returns on those stupid meme coins. They're not even useful. Ours is. So allocation expansion. The higher your tier of NFT, the better access you're going to get to those new assets that we're rolling out. You're going to be able to get a bigger percentage and a bigger share of the pie of every new asset that we roll out. I think this is invaluable. You can't put a price tag on this. You also get bonuses from, social engagement. Being a community-driven project and a community-driven coin, we give you rewards for various quests, subscriptions, sharing on social media, participating in, various quests that we put out. There's a variety. That's the main idea of the community. And privileges and partnerships. So we've partnered and continue to partner with very, very exciting projects or companies that make sense for us. Obviously, we just announced our collaboration with XT being one of the leading exchanges in the world. They offer more than 300 cryptocurrencies. Their daily turnover is over 300 million just from options, a behemoth of a exchange. We've just partnered with them. We're partnering with a bunch of other exciting companies and projects. Again, leaders in the market, people that make sense. We do not deal with, with nonsense. You're not going to see us partnering with Shiba Inu, or like Pepe or whatever other nonsense coins there are out there. Again, bringing you back to why you should own BTN tokens. Very simple. There's going to be about 25 different destinations planned for utility and use case for the coin. There's going to be about 25 different utilities that you guys are going to be able to use with BTN. Kind of the key ones at the moment are the BTN marketplaces like your Amazon or Alibaba for for BTN. You're going to be able to buy and sell products with the coin. The BTN Profi, again, offer or receive services from professionals, or you provide your professional services to others within the community for BTN. The BTN ad, it lets you promote your business and monetize your account on an advertising platform for BTN. Last but not least, we're in the dawn of AI. AI is the hot new thing. Everyone is getting involved. So are we. And we're providing our community with a dedicated AI, which you guys are going to be able to use to create content, delegate tasks, and you're going to be able to power this with BTN tokens. you know, uh, the roadmap. Roadmap is very important. We don't really call it a roadmap. We call it a development horizon. Roadmap is, to me, something very outdated. We've seen so many of those. They have fizzled and not come to fruition. Ours is about halfway through completed, at least for now. Exciting things to follow in 2024 are we're opening our public office in Dubai within the next couple of months. Very, very key. Dubai is an absolute crypto hub at the moment. So we are doing everything that we possibly can to have a firm presence out there. Something very, very exciting as well. Q4, the last 3 months of this year are going to be monumental. BTN token will be implemented on the Ton blockchain. Ton blockchain being the one developed by the creators of Telegram. Also, the Ton coin at the moment. I will look at my outer screen for you because I want to tell you a little bit more about the actual real life statistics on Ton. So the Ton coin at the moment, which is also the blockchain that we'll be deploying on, has 18 million. No, I'm lying. 18 billion dollars market cap. Daily circulation, considering that today the volume is a little bit low, is $335 million 24-hour volume. Current market price $7.64. A very, very massive coin. Very massive blockchain. It is the 8th largest out there. And it's designed for the community of Telegram, which is you guys, all of 900 million users. And we're deploying on that. We're using that blockchain because we firmly believe in it, and we firmly believe in the benefits that it gives its users. Our decentralized finance interface in the BitTon app is very close to being launched. Our listings on the key DEX and on the key CEX are, we're almost there as well. Obviously, with the announcements for strategic partnerships, you can kind of tell where we're going with it. There's a few exchanges that we've already announced partnerships with. They will be instrumental in this. We're going to be launching our own NFT marketplace. So anyone that kind of bought an NFT now will be able to resell it on the marketplace. And normally secondary market prices are higher. Another thing that we're doing is we're launching our own launchpad. We're going to be able to power projects on BTN. Very, very exciting because again, we're a community-driven coin. We're a community-driven project. You guys, the Bitsonians, are going to be the key instrumental part in all of this. 2025, again, big year for us. It is going to come way sooner than anyone thinks. We're right around the corner for 25. We're already midway through 2024. It flew by. The development of our mobile app and our wallet for storage, our exchange, and our payments in BTM are going to be launched in 2025 during Q2. Q3 of 2025, again, monumental landmark moment. Our business solutions, our development of a corporate gateway system for payments, and our processes for accepting payments in BTN are going to be launched, which means that you guys are going to be able to use BTN as a regular currency. Last but not least, for everyone out there that is interested in investments, which I believe most of us are, considering that we're in crypto, we will be launching a venture capital fund to finance BTN-enabled projects on BitTon. This is all going to happen by the end of 2025. Just around the corner. There's not that much left. We're not giving you all. We're going to be doing this in 2027. Everything's going to be very, very recent. Something I want to touch on before we move forward to BitMeme, which is our great new exciting project that's very much related to BTN and to BitTon. So the financial potential of BTN. As we said, Ethereum has 1 million active wallets. All-time high price sitting at about 4.9K, $4,900. Bitcoin, 50 million users, about 73, pushing $74,000 all-time high. Telegram, as I said, has 900 million active users. We are a solution for the Telegram community exclusively. And the Telegram live audience is 18 times larger than all of the Bitcoin wallets combined. It's a massive advantage, and it gives us an absolute brilliant potential for growth and development. If we get 1% of those 900 million users, 1%, just tell me we can't do it. We're at 9 million users, 9 times larger than Ethereum. We're currently at 1.3 million users. We're already larger than Ethereum, and we've been here for 2 months. If we get 10% of the 900 million people on Telegram, we're twice the size of Bitcoin. The biggest cryptocurrency out there, highest price, blah, 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 blah. 10%, and we're there. We're twice the size of Bitcoin. If you tell me that this doesn't have potential, you are blind, you are deaf, and you are stupid. I'm just going to put it out there. How to start mining? As I said, simple. Take the link to the BitTon bot from whoever recommended you to get it. Anyone that sent you here would have given you a link. Click it, put it on, review your balance, select the desired NFT. The higher tier of NFT, the more effective it is, obviously. Start doing simple activities and start generating energy. Do everything on your screen, generate energy, midnight UTC every single day. Get your share of BTN tokens. That is it. Super simple, super, super effective, very, very, very easy to use. There's nothing complicated about this. I will show you the app itself on my phone right now. I personally think the proof is in the pudding. It's the easiest way for me to kind of show you how this works is to actually get involved. Hold on, just give me a second. We're doing everything live here, so yeah, I just want to open my own Telegram and just put it on the bot. I don't need you guys seeing my conversations. We're not that close. We're friends, we're not that good friends. There we go. So there we go. This is my screen. Boom, boom. Okay, you click start. The bot loads. Very simple. First thing you see when you load is this pretty screen. It has everything that you need on it. It is generally your your dashboard. Top left, you got your referral link. Our referral system is unbeaten. You're not going to find a better one out there. It gives you a ton of rewards in energy, in USDT, in BTN tokens, and in BitMeme. An amazing, amazing, amazing amount of rewards out there. I'm going to play you a little video about this a little later on. Given that we're an international community, over 30 countries, growing every single day. We do offline events in an immense amount of countries, in Vietnam, in Singapore, in Thailand, we're going to do events in Africa, in Europe, in, everywhere, literally around the world. We're adding new languages to the app every single day. We got obviously English, Russian, we got Vietnamese, we got Spanish, we got Chinese, we got Dutch, Hindi, Korean, Thai, and recently Turkish. We're growing every single day. We're adding new languages. We want to make sure that you guys can use the app at its absolute finest in your own language. Make it as easy as possible for you. Top right, you got your type of NFT. As you can see, I'm using the premium one. There's the Pro and the Enterprise. If I wanted to buy them, I can literally just top up the balance. I don't need to buy a brand new one. I can just top up and upgrade. Auto clicker. I personally have an auto clicker, which is fantastic. Every single person that is on a higher tier of NFT can use the auto clicker, so it mines for them while, while they sleep, while they're outside. There's this phrase, if you're not making money while you sleep, you're never going to be rich. We're helping you achieve this. We're giving you a way for you to make money while you sleep. We're in the gym, we're outside with a walk, we're out for dinner, anything. You just click on and it starts automatically generating energy and satoshis. Click off and it gives you how much it's collected for you while you were all away. Otherwise, you click the little button in the middle and you get the energy and the BTC balance updated. I have 401 taps left. Obviously, I've been using it all day today, so I don't have many left. I'll just click my auto clicker and I'll just leave it in the background. My total amount of BTC, I have 11,611 Satoshis. I can withdraw those or I can convert them into BitMeme, which I will do live with you in a second. The total energy balance for the day for me is 390,000. This is what, obviously at the end of the day, my app will convert this into BTN tokens. Bottom left, you got your bank. Total number of active users at the moment is 1.3 million. BTN that with mine is 1.2. We're getting towards the 1.3 million coins. Mine, 38 billion energy as well. My balance is 988 BTN tokens. My Satoshis, again, I can use to withdraw them, but I'm not going to do that. I use mine for something else. You can if you want to. I have a better idea for you. Something where you will be able to get more money for the Satoshis. Who else offers you a way to get $2 for the price of one? Not very many people. My team, however many people you've referred, I've only referred 3, me as the head of community. I've decided I'm not going to be referring people. I've just tested how it works. Unfair considering that I have full access to you guys always. I'll leave that to you. Ooh, I close it. Sorry. Moving forward, we got the staking. Again, this is my balance, how many BTN tokens I have, and how many I've received every single day since I have had the app. Very simple. Airdrops, very exciting. Again, something that I don't really get involved in. I kind of, I leave you guys to reap the benefits from those. Obviously, on BitMeme, subscribe to Telegram, subscribe to Twitter. You're going to get a ton of energy as a reward. We do the same for BitTon, make a video review, write a review. You're going to get a ton of energy for those as well. At the moment, we've got amazing partnerships with Bing X, with XT, and with Vamion. Bing X and XT obviously being very good exchanges out there that we've partnered with strategically, and Vamion being it's a play to earn NFT game in the metaverse. It is in a vampire setting, so for any of you that are fans of that kind of games, they're giving you a ton of energy plus 1.2 million of their coins if you only beat level 1. Just gotta download it, install it, play level 1, beat it, which I'm pretty sure most of you are gonna do very easily. And they're gonna give you 1.2 million of their own tokens. We've partnered with a few others. There's gonna be more airdrops and more partnerships as we go along. So, buying BitMeme. BitMeme is the new hot thing. It is our personal meme token, which I'm going to present to you in a moment, but I want to show you here. So you have a bonus for the next 3.5 days. There's a massive bonus of extra BitMeme tokens being given to you. It's like a pre-sale thing before we launch it officially, before we release it to the public, and before we list it onto an exchange. You can use a wallet in a bunch of currencies, obviously. Minimum amount for you to purchase is $5, and the pre-sale price is 1 cent per coin. You pay 500, you pay for 500 coins, $5. You get the 500 for your money. You get an NFT bonus minus 30%, 150 on the top. So I get 650. I instantly get a 30 bonus just for having the NFT. If I use my bank, which is the daily airdrop, there we go, my BTC, I'm using my max amount, which at the moment will give me, it's like using $10, is going to give me 1,005 BitMeme coins, 718 from my wallet, 215 from my NFT, and 72 bonus from as an additional 10% for just using my own allowance. I'm going to buy it now. Congratulations, you have received 1,005 BitMeme tokens. I, at the moment, when you click my stats, I personally have 2,899 coins, which is $29 worth of BitMeme at release value, which we all know. The moment you release it, the price of 1 cent will skyrocket. You know, it's probably going to shoot up a couple 100%. You know, man, this is me doing 2, 3, 5, 10, 100x easily without actually putting money in. All I'm doing, I've already purchased an NFT. I'm using my daily generated BTC allowance to purchase them. That is it. I'm not investing any more money. We are giving you away an easy way to gain additional value. Again, my team, kind of the same. So this is how easy it is. I will now share with you a very quick presentation, a very quick one. I promise I will make it as quick as humanly possible for BitMeme. It is our new and very exciting cryptocurrency. And then we can open up for a Q&A. And obviously, Aldar is going to join us for the presentation. In the meantime, because I just don't know where Aldar is, because he's all over the world. You know, he takes me at every weird time of the day. He's in Dubai, then he's in Vietnam, then he's in Malaysia. You know, he's extremely active. So you couldn't ask for a better CEO, actually. You could not ask for a better CEO. Most CEOs hide in like in an ivory tower, unreachable, you know, you can't really get to them. He's out there with the people. He's out there with the community. So yeah. I've just texted him just to make sure that he is available. But he, as I said, he's probably the most available CEO you're ever going to find. So this is the first meme coin and meme hero that safeguards your profits. Now, what the meme coin trend is. Meme coins are cryptocurrencies that are created for speculation only and marketing, nothing else. There's absolutely no utility. There's absolutely nothing but pure speculation behind them. These digital assets are extremely popular worldwide and they make a ton of money. So Dogecoin, 23 billion market cap, zero use case, nothing, useless. Officially supported by Elon Musk because he likes the dog, nothing else. He's been supporting us since 2019. You can even buy a Tesla with Dogecoin at the moment. You know, it's a pointless dog coin. It has 188,000% price surge since release. 188%. 188,000%. It's astronomical. The next one, my favorite one, and by favorite, I mean just the opposite. It's Shiba Inu. It literally copied Dogecoin. It is even more useless. It has a 30 million, almost 31 million% price surge. So if you put $1 at the start of Shiba Inu, pure hype, nothing else, pure marketing and hype, nothing else. Right now, you'll have $38 million, 31, sorry. Am I making myself mad enough? Like, can you see it? It's useless. It's absolutely dog shit. No pun intended. Then you have the Pepe coin. Don't get me wrong, I love Pepe. I love the memes. It's useless. It's absolute garbage. Again, 6 billion market cap. It's a meme token, widely supported by influencers. Influencers out of all people. What do influencers know about financial markets? Diddly squat, nothing. So, what is my point here? Useless coins, no utility, pure hype, making a ton of money. Here's BitMeme. It's the meme coin and the hero who protects your success. It's not the hero you wanted, it's the hero you needed. It's the first meme coin from the BitTon app community. This is ourselves. It has over 1 million users, which again is the it is the BitTon community. It is you BitTonians, and BitMeme is your hero. He's here to protect you. We're across 9 languages, and we have collaborations with some top figures in the crypto industry. We only collaborate with serious people. We don't do all the nonsense that the other coins do. BitMeme provides you with a robust foundation for launching and for driving your profit. It's a coin for your success. It's a guardian of your success, and it's a blockchain-empowered success. You unlock a ton of benefits from our BitMeme project. We have a bunch of partners on this, and they're serious projects. Again, it's IME Labs. IME Labs being the IME Messenger and the crypto wallet. They're available for iOS and Android. They are also powered by the Lime token, the Mars DAO. It's a progressive Web3 ecosystem. It's an incredibly serious and good, stable project. The MDAO token is, again, an airdrop that we did. And BingX. BingX is a cryptocurrency exchange, which is an official partner of the Chelsea Football Club. There's serious projects, there's serious businesses. We're not doing any of the nonsense hype. We don't need nonsense hype. We already have real one, which is which kind of brings me to the next point. We have an extremely good use case. So our tokenomics, our starting supply will be 99 million coins. So it's almost 100 million coins, 99,999,999. Again, there aren't many meme coins with a limited supply. They're normally in the trillions, billions coins. There's no scarcity. There's so many out there. So, that's why they never break down to to a price that's close to, at least 1 cent. None of those coins, apart from Dogecoin, have ever reached 1 cent. How many millions, in hundreds of thousands of percent profits they've given. Our tokenomics, 33% the pre-sale that is currently going on, 6% are going to be used for an airdrop, 25% for treasury, 33% for the liquidity pool, and only 3% for the team. No more, no less. The funds raised during the pre-sale of BitMeme will be distributed again. So the 33% pre-sale, 49% is going to go to marketing to drive up the price for you guys, and 51% is going to be added to the liquidity pool. The entire pre-sale is going to be used up to drive the price for you guys. The BitTon community will receive the largest share, 33%, and everything during the pre-sale will be used to help the community. 6% will gradually be distributed through airdrops. This is it. There's going to be a vesting feature. Tokens purchased during the pre-sale will be unlocked over 9 months, as every other, as every single project that does that. 10% of the tokens will be released each month. We're gradually going to release them to you so we can retain stability. Their value will increase due to the heightened demand driven by an extensive advertising campaign following the listing of BitMeme on the DEX. The gradual unlocking of BitMeme protects the token price from sudden drops. It's to protect you, it's to protect the project, upon listing, and ensures that the long-term profitability is at more favorable prices for all of us. How to buy it? I already showed you. Open the app, click buy BitMeme, use either an external wallet with a bunch of currencies available, or you can use your BTC balance already. It takes about 2 minutes, and your meme coins will be topped up to your portfolio as a successful investment. How to get the maximum amount of BitMeme at the pre-sale? Well, there's 4 simple ways. The NFT bonus, you receive up to 21% bonus tokens when you purchase BitMeme simply for owning a BitTon NFT of start, rarity, or higher. The extra bonus, receive up to 21% bonus tokens when purchasing BitMeme for $100 or more. The pre-sale bonus, earn up to 40% commission on all BitMeme purchases from your team. So, when you refer people, you get up to 40% bonus in BitMeme. Last but not least, get BitMeme for activities inside the BitTon app. Take advantage of this, maximize your BitMeme holdings, and there you go. NFT bonuses, there's none for free, 3 at start, 6 at light, 9 at standard, medium 12, premium 15, pro 18, and enterprise 21. The extra bonus up to 100, nothing. 100 to 250, 3. 250 to 500, 6, so forth and so on. Affiliate bonus. We have an insane affiliate bonus here. Bonus amounts, we will share the presentation with all of you a little bit later on so you can dive deeper into this, but you can get up to 40% bonus on referrals and affiliation. 20%, it's half and half. Half gets created in USDT, half gets created in BitMeme. So, your team turnover really plays into all of this. So how do you receive an affiliate bonus? So you have a rank 8, okay? The BitMeme amount for that is 1,000 USDT. It was purchased in your first line. According to your rank, you will receive a commission of 1,000 USDT times 30%, 300 USDT. The reward will be calculated as follows. The first half is 300 USDT, which is divided by 2, because it's 50-50, you get 150. The second half is 300 times 0. Divided by 2 times 0.01, 15,000 BitMeme. This is how we're going to calculate everything for the affiliation rewards. The airdrops, so our BitTon app is a community where we value constantly create, we create value for each other constantly, all the time. I'm sorry. We've distributed many airdrops worth thousands of Lime, MDAO, ACE, a bunch of other stuff. We keep rewarding active members, present, real users. We don't reward anyone for just sitting there idly. So, anyone that's getting rewards, they're an active user. We promote activity in the platform. So for the BitMeme airdrop, the process will be similar. There's no need to guess who will receive our meme coin or how. It will be generated in a very fair and generous way. As always, we stay true to ourselves. Invite your friends, complete the tasks in the airdrop section, tap every single day. The more active you are, the higher potential at the airdrop is. Again, everything that we do at BitTon is related to the community. The higher amount of activity you guys have, the more active BitTonians you are, the more you're going to get. Simple as this. Proof of action. Prove us actions and we're going to reward you. Here's our roadmap. So the birth of the community, we're going to launch the BitTon app, an application inside Telegram already happened. Creation of value, instant value. We're not going to wait for ages. Token airdrops from partners, Lime, MDAO, ACE already happened. We've already proven ourselves. Airdrops from the BitTon team, the distribution of the Bitcoin marketing pool happening already. 1 million users, we already broke that. We're 1.3. We're beating our own targets. 9 different languages, more to come very, very soon. The BitMeme pre-sale happening at the moment exclusively for the BitTon app community. The BitMeme airdrop, additional rewards for the active members of the community. This will also happen very, very soon. Be active. The more active you are, the more you're going to get. BitMeme will be listed on a DEX very, very soon. It will be a commencement of growth within the Ton ecosystem. It will be the first massive meme token on Ton. As I said, Ton is the 8th largest blockchain out there. Extremely, extremely valuable. Will be the first large meme coin on it. Great opportunity. Where can you get the meme coin? Where? BitTon app, nowhere else. Resale right now. BitMeme advertising campaign. We're going to attract users and we're going to boost the demand beyond our community, but after we've given our own community the chance to participate. Again, we're looking after you guys. We're trying to make sure that you guys get the most benefit first. Last but not least, at least for the moment, BitMeme will be listed on a CEX. We're going to bring the meme coin to a centralized trading platform where volatility will create more avenues for making money. Okay, I'm going to shut up now for a moment. Probably you've all been listening to me for a good 50 minutes, which is probably the longest Zoom I've done so far. I'm going to hand over to Aldar for a few minutes. He wants to address everyone in the community. And then we're going to open up for Q&A. Aldar, or you?
Hello, BitTonians. Oh, great. Thank you, Viktor. I think you were not ready to look me in this way.
you got me there.
Great.
I was not prepared for this.
Raise your hands. Great. Hello, BitTonians. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Assalamu alaikum. Namaskar. Hello. Xin chào. Ni hao. Yeah, sawadee krap. All our community. Buongiorno. Hello, everyone. Привет всем. So I hope all our great community from all around the world here to hear great, amazing news and what the steps we are going to develop next 2-3 months. Great presentation. Thank you, Viktor, about this, sharing this presentation about BitMem. And actually, this is all that ecosystem that we are creating. And I will tell, add a bit few things. Roadmap. When we look into roadmap and we see that we even moving faster than this. Now you can see without these glasses. This is it should be funny. Yeah, it should be like, yeah. Nice. So oh, great. So let it be funny, like with I'm gonna share with you energy. And when we're looking into our roadmap, and we see that we are moving faster than our roadmap, that we written our roadmap, and many things already ready for launching. And even that you were showing this, what was the reason of launching BitMem, that people were asking what is BitMem and how people can generate profit out of that. What was the reason? Because the things that today in Ton ecosystem that we are developing, it is like they're written that Launchpad. Do you remember that you are presenting that there's launching of Launchpad? So this is the way that people can imagine through our BitTon mini app. You can participate in complete different tasks, complete this task and prove your action and get rewards in energy, in different airdrops, in tokens. And also when you generate additional energy, you're getting rewarded in native token that we are developing in BitTon tokens. And as well, we are just doing airdrop in Bitcoin, because everyone knows about Bitcoin. And what is Launchpad? When people can go and buy some token, right? Launchpad that we can represent to our community futures of some digital asset that going to be launched. So it is like the first steps to Launchpad that we are deploying in our system. We are testing through our community with our own assets that we are creating in our ecosystem. So this is one of the, as many already meme coins are launching, so that we are thinking like we have our community, we should give to access to this market, to our community, that our community also should get benefit out of that. So that is the way, like 100 million supply of BitMem coins, BitMem tokens, 100 million supply with price of 2 cents. We're going to be listed, and it is like $2 million of market cap only. But what is the market cap of Pepe coin? Can you see, Viktor? What is market cap of Pepe today?
I'll tell you right now. I'm pulling it up.
Almost $5 billion, right? $5 billion. Yeah, it is really $5 billion. Pepe coin.
$5.3 billion. Daily volume. $5.3
billion.
Daily volume, 1 billion.
At $2 million. But Pepe is 5.3 billion. Can you imagine? And 1 year ago, they were listing in HTX, in Huobi exchange. They were doing massive marketing all over the world, and the main market was China, Asian market. And we already made all research, and we have clear strategy why we're doing, how we will do that, all the things. And HTX is another good news are coming for our community, like XT, BingX, what is next? Yeah, so HTX was one of the listing a Pepe coin, and people who bought Pepe, they made more than 100 times their investments increase, like 300 times profit. If you would invest $100 in Pepe 1 year ago, you would make 300 times, like $30,000. So what is how much premium NFT, this $1,000 NFT, how many Bitcoins you are getting in months? Like around $100, yeah? Like you getting like
150 even.
$10, yeah, $150. You're getting like $5, $10. Minimum buy, you can buy $5, you can buy BitMem tokens. And you convert, you buy it at $5. At $5 you buy. If it will increase like 300 times, how much is that? It can be $1,500. Like, who knows? Like,
This is without the bonuses
financial
we're giving.
advice. It's not, there is no guarantee, but it is the market. $2 million. And with what is the main ruler and main energy and main engine for every meme coin? What is that, Victor?
Hype. Community.
Hype. And but who is creating this hype?
Community. The popularity behind the community. That's it.
Yes, so that is like, then bigger community you have, then massive you are getting this hype, and people are getting so scarcity, people demand. So that is like how it is creating $2 million only. This will be a market cap listed. Okay, let it be like we will we will not talk about $5 billion. Let's talk about 1%. How much is 1% out of 5 billion? It's like $50 million. 50 million.
My math is off. I've been talking for too long.
yeah, math. It's like I can tell do calculations, many calculations, like in my mind. Like some people tell you have like calculator in your brain. Like,
AI.
Yeah, it's like since school, I remember that was like my childhood friends, so like they used to play with calculator. They were multiplying 5 digits like figure, 5 digits figure and second 5 digits figure. They multiplying and they looking the digits, and they asking me what will be the how much it will be. I was like taking time, like it is like around 3 to 4 minutes, and I was telling them real figure. So that is like experience of calculations. Yeah, so that is what will be 1% of 5 billion dollars. It's $50 million only. If we reach 1 million, so when we started $2 million, at least if it will go with our like community market cap, $50 million, how many times it can increase? Yeah, you are like using now calculator. I see $50 million divided by 2
I'm just waiting for you. I am not getting embarrassed with figures ever again.
Just you calculate 50 divided into 22. It's 25 times from the listing price, but you buying two times cheaper. So it can be at pre-sale time. From pre-sale it can increase 50 times. But when you buying today, next 3 days, when you buying when you hold NFT. So this is main advantage that we are bringing our value of NFT. When you getting NFT, what you getting? You getting additional rewards as NFT bonus. You getting this additional bonus when you buying by balance. Also from that you are generating, you getting also additional BitMem tokens. So that is like, man, it is either you go and just directly buy token, or you get your NFT, then you will get more, right? So that is like when you get more, even you get cheaper than 1 cent, you can make 50, 100 times, you can make profit out of this asset. But it is real that many cases there, like who used to do like that. And it will be fully driven by community. And before 30th of August, like after 2 months, we're going to complete. But I will tell you, like it's almost like more than 20% of tokens already sold out. Like, and I think it can be in July. We can complete all this pre-sale. So that is like means people think like today they cannot, like after 3 days they maybe that there will be, the bonus will decrease, but the number of tokens are reducing. And it is like when more futures, when we adding some partnerships where the token will be listed, some like we are showing some new partnerships. We showing just yesterday, today we are showing our, in some social medias post our partnership. It's not just we are doing partnership and we making traffic. It is there some also our strategy, what we are going to do, where we're going to be listed, what we're going to do, how we're going to market it. So that is also very important. You have to, if you see full picture, you can understand what is strategy of company and how company is going to expand in market. Yeah, that is and let's see into some yeah, this is Pepe price. Like, yeah, it is like hobby listed. It was listed 19 April. It was listed 2023. Okay, MEXC listed, BingX listed 19 April. Then Gate were listed, OKX it listed in 1st May. You can see like many exchanges. Huobi first was listed on Huobi 18 April. It was listed in HTX. And in 1 year only that increased more than 300 times. Pepe coin, $5 billion. But main community was from China. There also I can talk about Shiba Inu. So let's see about Ton. I will tell about this NFTs. How many wallets today in Ton? Like when we started in February, there was like less than 6 million wallets active address counts. Today it's like almost 40 million, 36 million. So 30 million community came into Ton blockchain, Ton ecosystem. And we can see the price of Ton when we were calculating and when we were designing and doing this our ecosystem. It was April, I will tell you, it was end of April when we started. 2024, end of April or end of February. February, it was the price of Ton was around 2.5 cents or $2.5. $2.5, and right now it is 3 times higher price. So then the question, what is the lowest price of NFT? Viktor?
$24.
$26, right?
26.
Yeah, 26.
I'm giving people $2 discount.
Yeah, we were counting, it was like around 10 tons. 10 ton, the cost was the lowest NFT. That was, we didn't put price in ton. We placed it in USDT. It was 26 because we still didn't deploy in Ton ecosystem. It didn't came on chain. So we were counting like it's around 10 ton. So it is like, what is price of Ton today?
7.6, 7.5.
7.7, yeah, it is like. And what is the price of 10 tons? How much it will be?
10 tons at the moment?
Yeah.
70, 75, 77, $80.
Yeah, and then if that time was the value of NFT $26 is 10 ton $26, what is the value of NFT, lowest NFT today? If it
3 times higher.
Remains same.
3 times higher.
Yeah, and when we will start deploying the contracts, NFTs, our Bitmem, it will come also on Ton blockchain. Also BTN token, it will come in Ton ecosystem. So what will be all this? Also, it will be traded with Ton. NFTs also will be traded with Ton, right? What can be the price? And what $5,000 NFT? It was like around 2,000 ton. So today 2,000 ton, it is around $15,000. Yeah, and it is generating, the price can increase and the ecosystem. And what can be? What is the today biggest markets for cryptocurrencies? For not only crypto markets, what are the main markets today, and which companies they used to launch in crypto and have amazing success? Even Pepe, they launched from Asian market, from Chinese market. And what is the year today? 2024 now. Yeah.
Dragon.
And I'm going to show you also a few things. What you can see here. Dragons. Dragons with different elements: water, green, like trees, fire, ether, metals, it's earth, and air. 7 elements with different stones, with different planets. So, and these dragons, like different NFTs coming, and that we are going to deploy also, that very soon people start getting these NFTs. So that is NFTs you can also climb, and it is limited. What's going now? Right now it's like NFTs, like people were asking like how many NFTs it is limited, how many NFTs there. There will be in July, we will announce Dragonomics, NFT Dragonomics. So Dragonomics, how many NFTs there will be, like it will be limited. And I will tell more than 20% also already NFTs already sold out. So that means like that people, not everyone will get these NFTs. So again, this creating the scarcity, and when we deploying in Ton blockchain, it's increasing the value, and everything coming on chain. Then we will do audit, partnerships, announcement, big events. Like in we are planning something after 3 months in Token 2049 in Singapore. 18-19 September, there will be full moon. 18 September in Singapore, like great announcements, partnerships that we are going to share with our community, and that everyone will get benefit out of that. And I think that time maybe it can be all even Bitmem and all this. Bitmem 100% it will be sold out, it will be completed, and it will be listing. It will be great announcements, and NFTs it can be also sold out. And that is our plans, that what we are doing. And if in today NFTs that you are getting, it's limited, and not everyone will get. So that means like time is limited, and every one of you today can join and get NFT, convert this, get these NFTs can generate bitcoins. Bitcoins you can convert into Bitmem, or you can also generate energy. This energy rewards you in BitTon token, and also participate in all these airdrops. And great announcements are coming that we are going to share to all our community. More announcements of our upcoming partnerships. Yeah.
I just want to mention something. I just decided, as the head of community, I am announcing that whoever buys the most Bitmeme over the next 30 days up until the end of the pre-sale is going to get Aldar's glasses signed by him. Aldar's giving away his glasses to whoever buys the most Bitmeme with a personal autograph. That's it.
Yeah.
Aldar, you got to do it, brother.
Yeah, I would tell, just we are balancing. We should keep balance everywhere, even when we live, when we communicating, and even we doing work. And so I would tell, like there is some reasons of this wearing these even glasses. Like, yeah. So yeah. So I think maybe there are some people who have some questions. We can go to Q&A session, and people can ask questions.
Yes, everyone, ask your questions. Aldar and I are happy to answer. Just put them into the chat. There's a Q&A section into the chat. Please do it, and we will be more than happy to answer for you.
Great, great.
The other option is me and Aldar spoke for what is now 75 minutes, and there's no questions.
No questions. Yeah, so that is like people then I think people already have all clarity. You gave all clarity regarding NFTs, meme coin, and there are like lots of points like regarding this Ton ecosystem, our that partnerships that we are going to there are like some launchpads also going to partner with us, also exchanges, some projects. It was really busy months since last, not busy months, like was busy quarter, like it was really busy quarter. And right now just we are stabilized many things, and we are ready for expansion. And our system inside, and our company inside the system of working with companies, B2B section, then working with community, then marketing part, development, financial part, all these parts, like a chain. It's working like it should work a system, like then I can have more time for our community, spend time, and physically we can meet, we can spend time together, and there will be announcements also that when and where we can meet soon, very soon, that people how what are the requirements, and you can fulfill to get onboarded to these great events that we are going to launch and do in different countries. So right now, like, it's just June, July, we can see like there are also many events, are upcoming event there. We know in Ghana, our also team is arranging there some event, in India, in Europe, Asia, also many events are going on. So there is no questions.
No questions. Just I want to say something off the back of what you just said. So everyone, things have developed so quickly, and it seems like I've been part of the team for like a year. I've been part of the team for 2 months. Things were so different 2 months ago. Everything looked completely different. Things have developed so quickly. We got our presentations 2 months ago, Aldar. Remember, they were like 20 minutes long, about 20, 25 minutes long. Now, if we want to talk for 2 hours, there's enough things for us to talk about for 2 hours. This tells you guys how much we're looking for after the community, how much effort our team is putting in. We're giving you so much value, so many options to make money, so many options, to develop. So yeah, again, Aldar, thank you very much for joining us. Aldar, this is the first webinar he's joined for like a month because he's so busy with this. So I thank you for joining us. Thank you everyone in the community for
Thank you,
joining.
everyone. Wish everyone great health, wealth, happiness, and peace, life, and amazing this end of June. So achieve your targets in this week. You can really change many things. Do not miss this opportunity to join with us and create this big opportunity. Use this opportunity all around the world. Thank you, Viktor. Thank you, everyone.
So there's a couple of questions I'm going to answer. So the first one is from Emmanuel Eruga. Sorry if I've absolutely butchered your name. I'm very sorry. Great presentation. I must confess, I so enjoyed it, and I am glad to be part of the BitTon family. You forgot to talk about the Champion Leagues. Just want to ask, how long does it take to check the BitTon airdrop task review? Well, the Champions League is out in our main Telegram group. Anyone wants to get a little bit more information, just join our Telegram group. There's a bunch of information there. Just click there. You get allocations and rewards and prizes and whatnot for how much energy you've generated, how much you've been out there as part of the community. In terms of the airdrop tasks, some of them are automatic, some of them are manual. It really depends. If it's taking longer than, I would say, longer than a few days, just drop us a message on Telegram and in the main chat. Our team will be more than happy to support you and kind of figure out if there's an issue or something. Dr. Gavin, thank you for this. Long time you should be out. Why did you take this long to come to us? We love what we see. Well, Aldar is doing his best. We only have one of him. We can't send him to so many places at the same time. So, we're only doing what we can. We're doing our best to, kind of do offline events as much as humanly possible. But at the same time, Aldar is really focused on making the project an absolute success. So bear with us. We will get offline events in many, many locations. We're doing everything that we possibly can. Thank you. We love it. We love you. Here's your heart. Here's your heart. All right, this is it from us, ladies and gents. It's been an hour and 20 minutes, by far the longest presentation we've done. It would have not been possible without your support. Keep signing up, keep being active, keep getting your rewards. This is me, Viktor, your head of community. I thank you for everything, and enjoy the rest of your day, even where we are in the world. I'll see you in the next one.